Chapter 1 Introduction. Congratulations on your purchase. The contents of this manual are confidential and proprietary. They are protected as trade secrets under the Federal Law of Intellectual Property. This operations manual is the property of Amazing Lawns and is licensed for your use as a guide and reference tool in the operation of your lawn care company. Access to its content should be limited only to those specifically working for your company. Please protect and safeguard the manual. It can help guide you to a successful business enterprise. Section 1. Manual. How to use this manual. This operations manual is designed to assist you in the development and operation of your lawn care company. It is your responsibility to understand and implement the methods of service to the specifications and standards supplied by this manual. Every detail of the design and operation of the business is important in order to develop and maintain uniform operating standards. Updates to the manual and membership guidance. In a continuing effort to provide better service to our clients and build a stronger business, periodic updates must be made to the manual. Our clients will automatically receive the most updated manual any time a change occurs. This will be accessed via secure online logins to all clients who have paid their annual memberships. The annual fee will be good for 12 consecutive months from the date of purchase. Access to this online manual, as well as all training material and videos, terminate upon cancellation of membership. Section 2. Welcome. At Amazing Lawns, we understand how important it is to have a well-run business. We've spent years and literally thousands of hours developing this manual, our business processes and systems. Now we want to share our superior systems with businesses just like you and help you deliver consistent quality that today's customers have come to expect. This manual will guide you through the detailed processes and procedures, giving you the necessary skills for the success of your company. The degree of your success, however, will depend on your willingness to learn and communicate with your employees and with your clients. Your success is also a function of the amount of time and effort you're willing to devote to learning and executing each phase of this manual. It is our goal to provide support and services to you with the highest levels of honesty, integrity, and professionalism. We take the partnerships we form with our clients very seriously. It is the foundation of our success. From lead generation programs and cutting-edge technology to branding campaigns and customizable marketing tools, our support is second to none. Comprehensive training and ongoing support will keep you and your staff knowledgeable and competitive at startup and beyond. Michael Maynard, President and Founder, Amazing Lawns. Company principles. Developing our employees. We strive to provide the tools and environment necessary to bring both personal and professional development to each of our employees. We view the growth and development of our employees not merely as a means for increasing profits, but as an end in itself. Serve our clients. Our clients deserve the same level of quality, efficiency, value and professionalism that we'd want for ourselves. We believe our company exists to provide services that serve a meaningful need for the client. If we don't believe each of these criteria is met, we won't sell it. Expand our business profitably. We must steward the financial resources of our investors widely. We strive to return the highest profit possible under the guidelines of our objectives. This is achieved through constant innovation and improvement, creative marketing, reducing costs, listening to our clients, and fulfilling our commitments. Our promises to the client. Each client is our most important client. We understand the needs of each client and tailor our service to meet their needs. We treat our clients like family, addressing them by first names when they call and greeting them with a smile. We ensure complete satisfaction and often go above and beyond the call of duty. We make it easy for the client. We help clients take pride, comfort and satisfaction in their homes. Thanks to the services we provide, clients know they have that much less to worry about. When they call on us, the job gets done, just the way they expect. We stand behind our work. We are experts at what we do. We have the tools and the training to deliver on the promises we make. We start each job with the desire to do it right the first time. If we fall short, we work equally hard to make it right. We always look for ways to improve our performance. Our promises to the employee. We provide a safe and rewarding work environment. Safety is our first priority. We provide training and equipment to protect the health and well-being of both our employees and our clients. We equip our technicians with knowledge, tools, and technology to maximize competence and productivity. We open channels of communication that encourage creativity and innovation. We instill and promote leadership, principles, and personal growth. We take pride in our work. We are emotionally intelligent leaders who view our employees as members of a team rather than a means to an end. We provide opportunities for advancement and reward excellence. We abide by our core objectives, instilling sound moral, ethical, and business principles. We help people reach their goals. We get to know each of our employees on a personal level, understanding their hopes, dreams, and aspirations. We use a coaching style of leadership coupled with constructive feedback to help our employees develop. We challenge and encourage each other. We provide equality in the workplace, steering clear of favoritism or bias. Section 3. Quality Standards. Service Standards. Our clients should have no doubt they're getting value for the lawn maintenance service we provide. Our company recognizes that the quality of our service is what separates us from the competition. Our company's quality standards of service is a key element in our service strategy. A business must constantly aim to improve the quality of service delivery by implementing quality control measures, employee training, and ultimately focusing on complete customer satisfaction. Service standards are more than service delivery targets such as timeliness and hours of operation. Clients are entitled to know what they should expect from our company, how services will be delivered, what services cost, and what clients can do when services they received are not acceptable. These standards should include a description of the services provided, service pledges or principles describing the quality of service delivery clients should expect to receive. 1. Each client is our most important client. We understand the needs of each client and tailor our services to meet their individual needs. We treat our clients like family, addressing them by first names when they call and greeting them with a smile. We ensure complete satisfaction and often go above and beyond the call of duty. 2. We make it easy for the client. We help clients take pride, comfort, and satisfaction in their homes and business properties. How to do it right. Thanks to the services we provide, clients know they have that much less to worry about. When they call on us, the job gets done, just the way they expect. 3. We stand behind our work. We are experts at what we do. We have the tools and the training to deliver on the promises we make. We start each job with the desire to do it right the first time. If we fall short, we work equally hard to make it right. We always look for ways to improve our performance. Benefits of service standards. Service standards provide a practical way to manage performance and help shape the expectations clients have of our lawn care services. Experience suggests that services can be improved and delivered at reduced cost by refocusing services on clients, finding out what clients consider to be critical aspects of our service and service delivery, giving managers and employees the flexibility to respond to client needs, developing proper incentives to promote innovation, monitoring and analyzing performance, realistic goals and standards. As an integral part of good management, service standards promote partnership in quality client service, provide the means to measure service performance and cost reliably, provide meaningful information on the content, value and method of service delivery, use performance and client satisfaction information to guide operational decisions to continually improve service standards and actual performance. Planning and organizational considerations. Developing and implementing service standards help ensure client satisfaction. Business owners and managers must be prepared to direct and support their employees. The implementation of service standards may or may not involve a committee, but someone must be responsible for the monitoring and delivery. While the business owner and managers are expected to assume responsibility for implementation, all parts of the business should be involved in carrying out our service standards and in finding solutions to problems discovered as a result of applying the standards. Frontline employees and internal service providers must be involved in the process. Knowledge and understanding. Knowledge and understanding are the keys to delivery. Know your business and mission. Our company is committed to providing outstanding lawn maintenance service to residual and commercial clients. It is our goal to exceed our clients' expectations for quality and service while paying close attention to each client's individual needs. Know what is affordable. What does it cost to deliver your services? Consult your clients and staff. What are the most important features of the service you provide? What are your clients' satisfaction levels with the service? Collect baseline information on current service levels. What changes do your clients need or want? What are your clients' expectations? What are your responsibilities? Empower and train service providers. Train and equip staff to help clients and let staff know what is expected of them. Train managers and supervisors in leadership and motivation. Communicate service standards and report on performance. Monitoring. Monitoring is the process of keeping track of client expectations and operational factors and adjusting service delivery as appropriate. Knowing where clients stand and how they feel about quality services should be a key priority. It allows the department to modify policies and programs to improve service quality. Monitoring shows both clients and employees that the department is serious about assessing client satisfaction to measure its performance. Data on client service and satisfaction show employees the results of their efforts and help them focus on the essential purpose of the business. Service and courtesy to clients. Our clients deserve the same level of quality, efficiency, value and professionalism that we would want for ourselves. We believe our company exists to sell services that serve a meaningful need for the client. If we don't believe each of these criteria is met, we won't sell it. Excellence. We will guarantee a quality service that meets or exceeds client expectations. We will measure our performance against the best in the business. Timeliness. We will provide our clients with realistic completion times based on the nature of the request. We will answer client inquiries promptly, usually within 24 hours of receipt. Responsiveness. We will respond promptly to all customer requests in accordance with our resources and capabilities. We will acknowledge receipt of an email, fax, or telephone call within 24 hours. We will cover the telephones at all customer contact points during normal business hours. We will investigate and act to resolve customer complaints within 2 working days of their receipt. Accessibility. We will provide our clients with satisfaction surveys to assess their needs and contentment. We will use the results of these client surveys to improve our services. Commitment. We will be courteous, respectful, responsible, and professional at all times. We will take responsibility providing answers to client requests to the best of our knowledge and skills. If we need to refer to our client requests, we will make sure the person we are referring can provide an answer. Hours of operation. Monday through Friday, 7:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Chapter 2. Foundations. Section 1. Pre-opening timetable if not already in business. Please refer to the pre-opening timetable chart for an outline of items that must be completed prior to opening your business. The table is laid out chronologically. Section 2. Week 1. Review entire operations manual. It's imperative that all owners and managers take the time necessary to thoroughly review the operations manual in its entirety prior to beginning services. This will ensure that you are familiar with the overall concept of our policies and procedures. Finding office space. We have found that the most affordable means of securing office space is to locate a small office located within a local storage facility. This can typically be secured for $200 to $600 a month for a modest office, and also give you the ability to store your equipment and vehicles on site as well. Section 3, Week 2. Apply for a business license. Contact your state's Department of Licensing for applications and instructions on how to file for a business license. Each state has a unique application, filing and registration requirement. Apply for your Federal Employees Identification Number, FEIN. Also known as the Tax Identification Number, TIN, Federal Employer Identification Number, FEIN, or the Federal Tax Identification Number. This is a unique 9-digit number assigned for purposes of identification by the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, to business entities operating in the United States. When the number is used for identification rather than employment tax reporting, it is usually referred to as a TIN. When used for of reporting employment taxes, it is usually referred to as an EIN. Similar in purpose to the Social Security number assigned to individuals, EINs are used by employers, sole proprietors, corporations, partnerships, non-profit organizations, trusts and estates, government agencies, certain individuals, and other business entities. The IRS uses this number to identify taxpayers who are required to file various business tax returns. Individuals who are employers may choose to obtain either an EIN or use their Social Security number for the purpose of reporting taxes withheld on behalf of their employees. An EIN is usually written in this form, whereas a Social Security number is usually written in this form, in order to differentiate between the two. EINs do not expire, but they are only numbers given to identify businesses. Non-profit organizations need EINs to apply for an exemption from federal income tax. Exemption is terminated if annual reports are not filed. To maintain a group exemption letter, the central organization must submit an annual report at least 90 days before the close of its annual accounting period. For additional information about an FEIN, visit the U.S. Internal Revenue Service website at www.irs.gov. Choosing your business structure. You should consult with a business attorney, CPA, or tax consultant when deciding what business structure is right for you. The actual formal mechanics of creating corporation is known as incorporation. The process involves completing and filing a certificate of incorporation or articles of incorporation and paying a filing fee. Each state has its own set of laws governing the process of incorporating. Corporate existence starts when the articles of incorporation are filed with the state office that handles incorporations, e.g. Secretary of State or Corporation Commissioner, along with the required filing fees. Accelerated incorporations or same-day filings are available in some states. Section 4. Week 3. Opening bank accounts. Choosing a bank account for your small business is an important stage in the startup process. There are several key things to consider, such as transaction and borrowing costs, what facilities the bank offers, and the type of relationship you want from a bank. Here are some suggestions which may help you decide which bank would best suit your needs. You must set up a business account if you are starting up as a limited company, partnership, or any other key business structure. Sole traders can use their own personal accounts. Don't necessarily choose a business bank simply because you're already a personal banking customer of that bank. You may feel more comfortable with a bank you already know personally, but they may not offer you the best deal for your business. Make sure you compare several business bank account offerings and compare the costs and charges associated with each one. Naturally, only consider banks that have a strong background. Bank charges. A key point to consider is how much it will cost you to have a business bank account. You may have a large number of monthly transactions to process, for example, so ensure you know exactly what charges will be levied on your account before signing up. Many major banks provide free banking for set periods to new businesses, so this may be of interest. Online banking. This is an increasingly important service, and most banks now provide an internet service so you can check the status of your account day or night. Rather than calling the bank to check if a payment has been made to your account, you can check online in a fraction of the time. Interest. Although the major banks have improved their interest rates on business accounts in recent years at request of the government, they do vary wildly. Some well-known banks pay virtually zero interest on your account balance, but there is always a trade-off between free transaction costs and interest rates, so consider the overall benefits each account would provide to your business. Small business team. Consider a bank which has a specialized small business unit. The setup process should be simpler, and dedicated teams will be used to dealing with all types of small businesses and their specific needs. Some businesses will require regular contact with their bankers, so you should go with a team you feel you can build a good personal relationship with. Secure insurance. We highly recommend this to protect your business and personal assets. We suggest that you purchase a minimum of $1 million of commercial liability insurance. We also suggest you purchase workers' comp insurance to cover you in the event of a work mishap on a customer's property. You don't want everything you've worked this hard for taken away due to an unforeseen accident.